So you worked so hard to get your green card, but what do you do if you lose your green card or your green card gets stolen? Watch this video and I'll tell you more. So in this video, we're going to talk about a very important topic that is kind of painful. So you get your green card, you spend years to get it, and then one day you either lose it or somebody steals your wallet or your bag. How do you get your green card back? What is the process? There's so much confusion in this area, and people do always the wrong thing. But before that, if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Click that bell to be notified. Also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, where we continue to do more videos. So the first thing you want to do is you need to make sure that if you lost your green card, that it's not somewhere in the house or somebody else has it. Make sure you look everywhere for it before you take the next step. So once you determine 100% that the green card is gone, you need to immediately file what is called Form I-90. It's an application to renew the green card. Now what is interesting about the Form I-90 is that it's specifically designed to help people that already have green cards to be able to either renew it because they lost it or it gets stolen. So you only use I-90 for their purpose. So if you have, for example, a 2-year green card and then it expires, you do not use Form I-90 to do that. You have to use Form I-751 to remove the conditions and prove that you're eligible. In this video, we are talking about people that already have a green card, a 10-year green card, and then they lost the green card or it was stolen, and this is the process to get it renewed. Now, it's really important that once you file for the renewal of the green card, you're going to get a receipt, because you're not going to get the green card in one day. It's going to take several months for the government to process the application. You're going to have to go and get biometrics, get your picture taken and all that. So in the meantime, all you're going to have is a receipt. But what if you need to travel abroad? What do you do? So in some cases, you're able to make an appointment at the local USCIS office, and the officer is able to give you a stamp, ADIT Stamp, it's called a stamp, in your passport. Typically the stamp could be given for 30 days or maybe up to 6 months as proof that you're a permanent resident and you have a renewal or replacement is pending. Do not leave the country without a stamp, or at least trying to go and get that stamp. Typically you should be able to do it, but there are cases where they won't give you the stamp for many reasons. For example, maybe you have, you had a particular criminal issue that happened, like a DUI or something, so you're pending court. In that case, I would not even recommend to travel out of the country. But most cases, you should be able to get a stamp, a temporary stamp, to prove that you are going through the process of renewing your green card. It's also important to have that stamp in case you need to verify employment. Some employers want to see temporary proof that you still have a green card. So again, if you lose your green card, what you have to do is file for green card replacement, pay the fee. You don't have to prove again that you're eligible. So if you got your green card through marriage, you don't have to go through a whole green card interview again with your spouse to get a green card again, to be eligible. If you got it through your parents, you don't have to apply again. The I-90 is simply an application to replace a lost or stolen green card. So make sure that, again, you get the receipt. If you need to travel, get that stamp. And once you get the green card, make sure you keep it in a safe place and never lose it again. So hopefully this was helpful. Any questions, post them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and on TikTok as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.